Hello. Have you ever wanted that other people do what you want them to do, but all you experience is resistance? This could be true in your personal or in your professional life. Today I would like to let you in on a secret that isn't really a secret. If you learn to appreciate more and criticize, complain and condemn less, you are well on your way to success. Allow me to explain. If you are in an emotional state of appreciation, you create a completely different energy all around you and you will have better conversations. Remember, if you judge people, you limit them and their personal growth. It is unfortunate that many managers, supervisors, or team leaders are too focused on their team members' shortcomings. This is not how we can help a person to become better. It only creates resentment, frustration, and bitterness. What to do instead? Number 1, appreciation. Write down all the things you appreciate about the other person. This will help you to shift your focus on the positive, and you are in the right frame of mind for a good dialogue. Number 2, success tip. If you know what you appreciate about the person, then think about one thing that will help him or her to get better. A possible conversation could go like this. I really appreciate your effort to meet all the deadlines. Can I give you a success tip that will help you to get even better? Number 3, reinforcement. If you notice improvement in skill, attitude, or behavior, reinforce it by acknowledging effort and progress. It's easier than you think. I hope next time you will choose the A over the C. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.